Sorry about the shakiness of this. I'm trying to negotiate this and operate a light at the same time. Just wanted to show you guys that we are four-wheel drive again here. So this is the 1992 Nissan Pathfinder WD-21 Pathfinder that has been body swapped to a been body swapped to a D21 hard body pickup truck, and it is using a Xterra 2003 Xterra VG33ER supercharged motor, bolts right in. It's using a 5-speed four-wheel drive transmission out of a 1990 Pathfinder. It's hard to see because when you switch this camera to video, it likes to zoom in. Natural state for it, but this is the underneath. I know last time I showed a video very similar, but we had just got the engine bolted in. Some pointers here for anyone who's, I mean, this works for the trucks and the Pathfinders. When you go to put the front diff back in, the best thing you can do is leave this cross member off. You're going to need a couple friends, and you're going to want to roll the diff up and in. So there's enough room to clear it, but it's got to come at an angle up and in because it's going to sit on the front cross member. And then once you get the diff up, you put a jack underneath it, lift it up, and then you got to slide this cross member in one side at a time because the torsion bar will be in the way. It won't allow you to be able to get the thing on if it's attached to the diff. I learned that the hard way because I kind of got smart and then I got dumb. But you get the diff up and suspended by a jack, and then you can get the cross member in and bolt it on. It's a lot easier with a body lift too because you can still get tools in there and tighten things down. But this is the status of the Pathfinder pickup. We now have four-wheel drive back in place. The drive shaft is in. Everything spins. And with the manual locking hubs, it locks in position. Everything is pretty good. You can see these shafts spinning up there. Maybe if I can get up there. There she goes, right there. So everything's hooked up in the front. I want to replace the slave cylinder next. I also have some upper end work to do on the motor, as well as plumbing, electrical, and water, and fuel. And then we'll start working on the drive shaft. I showed you guys the steering arm, or the four-wheel drive arm here that broke off. There you are, that broke off. I got a right angle drill that I bought from Harbor Freight today. I'm not going to do it tonight, but I'll get to it. And then I got to extend the shifter 3 inches for the main shifter. But there you have it. The latest update on Pathfinder pickup. Leave me a comment down below. Like, share, and subscribe. Thanks again. Take care.